How to fix Instagram comments not showing problem. Hello everybody. If your Instagram comments are not showing, you can follow the steps. So first thing is checking your internet connection. For that, you can head over to the Wi-Fi section from where you usually go ahead and connect your network and see if that is the issue. Apart from that, ensure that you are using the latest version of the app. For that, you can head over to Play Store if you are on Android. Open it up, and after you are there, you can head over the search bar in the bottom right and go ahead and search for Instagram. Go ahead and type in Instagram in the search bar and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Apart from that, you can go ahead and clear the cache of the app. So for that, you can head over to Instagram, long press on the app, and then head over the info section at the top. After that, you should be given these options on the screen. Now from here, scroll down, head over to storage, and go ahead and clear the cache. And another thing is you can just go ahead and restart your device or restart your application as well. So that is it. Probably this method should help you fix the Instagram comment not showing issue. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.